Hey there, today I'm demoing Brite's Black Pearl Ceramic SiO2 Speed Spray. So now this is going to protect against grime, insects, tree saps, and bird droppings, as well as corrosion, oxidation, scratches and swirls, and it also protects from those UV rays. There's two different ways to apply it. You can apply it to an applicator pad and do it that way, do the crosshatch pattern, or you can simply spray it on and wipe it off. I'm going to be spraying it and wiping it today. I'll do this whole Acura and we'll see how it turns out. You want to shake the bottle well before use. The best way to apply the Black Pearl from Brite is to do it panel by panel. So I'm just going to do the hood, apply 2 to 3 sprays, and then wipe it off. There we go. All right, so as I mentioned, panel by panel, we just hit the hood. We'll do this little fender piece now. Make sure you don't oversaturate. That's really all you need for the panel. Moving on to the driver door here. Take some of it from there and put it on that. You can also apply it directly to the microfiber for those hard pieces, so I'm going to spray the microfiber directly for the trim along the door there. Ladder here and get the roof. Once again, up here, I'm just going to spray the microfiber directly. So I don't want a big splash radius from the sprayer. Now you don't want to apply this product in direct sunlight. It will affect the way it settles. Now it isn't completely necessary with the Black Pearl SiO2 Speed Spray to get the excess off, but I've waited about 5 minutes, so now I'm just going to wipe down the whole entire vehicle again, just in case I oversaturated an area. Just a light buffing, really. Don't want to apply too much pressure, just getting the product even and off. Seems like the product worked, considering we can see the reflections of the lights in my garage, but the real way to tell if the product did its job is if this slides off the hood. There you go. Smooth as a baby's bottom. Butter. And there you have it. Brite Black Pearl Ceramic SiO2 Speed Spray lasts 1 year on your vehicle, and then you just need to reapply it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.